What causes low back pain when coughing or sneezing? Any type of thing that a patient does where they increase the pressure on the inside of their body pressing out. Anytime they do anything that causes that and creates pain, a lot of times what you're looking at is a disc injury. Disc injuries, when you increase that pressure on the inside of the body, are forced outward, and by doing so you're pushing that disc into either the spinal cord itself or into one of the spinal nerves that come out from in between each one of the bones of the spine. So in coughing or sneezing, increasing that pressure puts the pressure onto the nerve system, therefore causing the pain.